Hello good people, greetings from Engramium Plus. WordPress 6.8 just dropped. You might have already seen update notification or noticed your site updating in the background. So what's new in this version? If we go to the developer's guide, we will see a list of changes and updates. But don't worry, we are skipping the technical and behind the scenes changes and focusing on 8 exciting new features that you are going to use. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Feature that we are going to talk about, that is speculative loading, a behind the scenes speed booster. This is a smart performance feature that helps make your site feel faster. It works by guessing what page your visitor might click on next and quietly loads that page in the background. So when they do click it, boom, it's loads super fast. This only applies to people who aren't logged in and it turned on by default. If you don't want it running, I will put this link in the video description on how to disable speculative loading in WordPress. Okay, there's speculative loading done. Let's move on. The second feature we are going to talk about is query loop block. To do that, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. In here, I am using the latest version of the WordPress. Let's go to a page. This is a test page. Now we'll add the query loop. Let's choose something like this one. And now if we go to the query loop, we will get a new feature, a new option that will for sticky posted, water by, and so on. Before 6.8, we don't have this option that we will be able to use or change the sticky post features. For example, for the sticky post, now we can include, we can ignore the sticky post, we can exclude the sticky post, or we can only show the sticky post only. So these are my sticky post. With addition to the query loop, the next and third feature that we are going to talk about is the total query loop. For that, make sure to go inside the query loop block and click on the plus button and search for query total. So as you can see, we have 12 results found. This is a dummy content, obviously. And one thing that need to mention here, if we do not inside the query loop, we will not be able to add this block. What I am talking about, that is, for example, we are on the outside the query loop and click on plus query total. As you can see, the query total block is not available. To get that query loop block, we must be inside the query loop. For example, I am clicking here and click on plus query total. As you can see, we can able to add the query total block. It's a small change with a big impact, perfect for creating dynamic layout and data-aware designs. So that's it for the query total block. Now move on the fourth feature, that is set featured image from inside your content. To do that, let's go to all post. For that, for the demonstration, let's click on this post and remove this one, hit save. As you can see, for this post there is no featured image. Now you can set a post featured image right from within the content editor. No need to navigate through side panel. The systematic workflow will help to do that. For example, this is the image. If we click on the three dot, we will have the new option, set the featured image, and done. As you can see, the featured image has been added. And now we can save it, and if we go to the view post, we'll be able to see the featured image has been configured. Number 5, edit template without leaving your post or page. To do that, for example, this is our post. If we click to the view button in here, we will see show template. If we click the show template, we'll be able to edit the template right from here. Template editing is now seamless than ever. You can now edit your template inline without leaving the post or page you are working on. This makes full site editing smoother and faster. Number 6, new color picker for text only for now, which is great. For that, let's click this one and we can change the text color. Let's give it this color and change the background, as this is the color picker option for the text. Number 7, easily reset text and background color. Alongside this update color picker, there are now reset button for both text and background colors. It's subtle and powerful feature for quickly removing your theme's default style. For example, we have set the background color. Now if we go to background color, we will get this minus icon for resetting the color. Let's click this one, and again for the text the same. If you click the minus, the color will be reset. Number 8, customize your site look and enhance style book. To do that, we need to go appearance and editor. Let's go to the editor, navigate to style. This is the style book. The style book feature in full site editing continues to improve. You can now preview and fine-tune your appearance, individual blocks all in one place, making global design changes faster and more visual than ever. For example, from here we can change the typography, color, background, shadows and layout as well. If we go to the color, we can change the color from here as well. We can choose the gradient. So that's a wrap up on the WordPress 6.8 highlights. Which of these features are you most exciting to try out? Let us know in the comments or jump into your dashboard and start exploring. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.